Hello everyone! We have added an awesome new feature to the PI Planning app, capacity allocation. Today I would like to show you this. You already know the load and capacity at each iteration on the team board. You will also find a pie chart icon right next to the load. When we hover over that, it will reveal a pie chart. It shows us which sticky types with the summed story points value have which share of the total load in this particular iteration. We have here in this iteration user stories, enabler stories, and technical stories. Each of these have a story point value assigned. With 67%, user stories hold the largest share of our load, followed by enabler stories and technical stories. This way, we can see at a glance how much we have planned in which areas and can compare it with our specifications and expectations. Of course, it would be interesting to know what the overall situation looks like for this PI and team. Nothing easier than that. If we click on the pie chart icon, we get the complete overview. If you are not yet using the PI Planning app and you would like to feel the power of the PI Planning app yourself, register now for one of our weekly demo webinars under demo.piplanning.io. If you would like to see for yourself how the PI Planning app takes your remote or distributed PI planning to the next level with a unique approach, namely super simple boards but still synchronized with your ALM tool, register now for a trial under trial.piplanning.io. My team and I are looking forward to talking to you.